Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we'll solve a mini challenge using the if and ifs function in Excel. These powerful functions help you apply conditional logic to your data, perfect for scenarios like grading students or categorizing data. Here's our dataset. We have two columns, student name and score. Our goal is to assign grades based on these conditions. Scores of 90 or above get an A grade. Scores between 75 to 89 get a B grade. Scores less than 75 get a C grade. Let's start with the if function for single condition. In the column C, type this formula. Drag the formula. Now let's use the IFS function, which simplifies multiple conditions. Type this formula in column D. Here's how it works. The first condition checks if the score is 90 or above and returns A. The second condition checks if it's 75 to 89 and returns B. The last condition handles scores below 75 returning C. Drag the formula. While both the formulas work perfectly, IFS makes your logic easier to read. And that's it with if and ifs. You can apply conditional logic to solve real-world problems in Excel. Thanks for watching. Try this challenge on your own and share your results with us. Let me know if you'd like more tutorials on Excel's logical functions. See you next time. Thank you.